Open CapCut on your PC and import the video you want to edit. Drag this video to the timeline and duplicate it. Now select upper layer and apply a rectangle mask. Select the object in the video you want to hide. Simply cover this object from mask and apply it on another side of table so that you can hide this object. Adjust its width and length and round its corners by corner tool in the mask section. Afterwards, move this round mask to other side of table and decrease the scale of upper layer. Now cover the area of the object that you want to hide. When you position it, add feather for a more dynamic look. And that's it. Now you know how to remove any object in CapCut like a pro. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. See you in the next one.